Welcome to our comprehensive guide on health insurance. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to make informed decisions about your health coverage. Health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical and surgical expenses incurred by the insured. It can also include coverage for prescription drugs, ambulance services, and mental health services. Let's start with an example. Meet John, a 30-year-old software engineer. John is considering buying a health insurance plan but isn't sure what to look for. There are several types of health insurance plans. The most common are Health Maintenance Organization, HMO, Preferred Provider Organization, PPO, Exclusive Provider Organization, EPO, and Point of Service, POS plans. HMO plans require you to select a primary care physician, PCP, and get referrals to see specialists. They typically have lower monthly premiums and out-of-pocket costs. PPO plans offer more flexibility when choosing healthcare providers and do not require referrals to see specialists. However, they generally come with higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs. EPO plans are similar to PPO plans, but with one key difference. They do not cover any out-of-network care, except in emergencies. POS plans combine features of both HMO and PPO plans. They require a referral from a primary care physician to see a specialist but offer the option to go out-of-network. Here's a quick comparison of the average monthly premiums for different types of plans based on recent data. John decides to go with a PPO plan for its flexibility. Now, let's delve into the components of his plan. Health insurance plans have several key components: premiums, deductibles, copays, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximums. The premium is the amount you pay for your health insurance every month. For John, the PPO plan premium is $550 per month. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket for healthcare services before your insurance starts to pay. John's plan has a $1,500 deductible. Copays are fixed amounts you pay for specific services, like $30 for a doctor's visit. John's plan specifies a $30 copay for a primary care visit and $50 for a specialist. Coinsurance is the percentage of costs you pay after reaching your deductible. John's PPO plan has a coinsurance of 20%, meaning he pays 20% of the costs for covered services after meeting his deductible. The out-of-pocket maximum is the most you have to pay for covered services in a plan year. Once John has paid $5,000 out of pocket, his insurance will cover 100% of his covered services for the rest of the year. John visits his primary care physician and pays a $30 copay. Later in the year, he sees a specialist and pays the $50 copay. After undergoing some tests, his total bills come to $4,000. After meeting his $1,500 deductible, John pays 20% coinsurance of the remaining $2,500, which is $500. So, in total, he spends $2,000, $1,500 deductible plus $500 coinsurance, plus his copays. It's crucial to compare plans based on these components to find the right fit. Tools like online calculators can give you an estimate based on your healthcare needs. Let's address some common questions. What's the difference between in-network and out-of-network providers? In-network providers are those that have agreed to provide services at pre-negotiated rates with your insurance company. Out-of-network providers don't have such agreements, so their services can be more expensive. Another common question: how does a health savings account, HSA, work? An HSA is a tax-advantaged account you can use to pay for qualifying medical expenses. You can contribute pre-tax dollars, and the withdrawals for medical expenses are also tax-free. Here's an example breakdown. If John contributes $2,000 to his HSA in 1 year, he can use this money to pay for deductibles, copays, and other qualified medical expenses. Another important factor is how to choose a plan if you have a family. Family plans often have higher premiums but also higher coverage limits. Let's see a cost comparison between individual and family PPO plans. The Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA, is another legislation you should be aware of. It provides eligible employees with unpaid, job-protected leave for family and medical reasons. Before we wrap up, let's cover some pitfalls to avoid, like not fully understanding what is covered and not checking if your healthcare providers are a network. Review your plan annually to ensure it still meets your needs. Changes in your health, family status, or income might require you to adjust your coverage. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand the intricacies of health insurance. Subscribe for more insights and tips on managing your financial health.